Here's a hearty Texas meal, barbecue chicken with fries and corn. Start by putting some frozen chicken breasts into your Instant Pot. Then add about 1.5 cups of water. Then use the chicken feature. While you're waiting for your chicken to cook, you can work on your corn and fries. Put all your frozen corn into a big pot and cover them until the water is over top of all of them. Then bring to a boil. Once the water's boiling, put a lid on top, turn the heat down a bit, and allow them to cook for about 8 minutes. For the fries, preheat the oven to 425 and put as many fries as you'd like on a pan. My family loves these curly fries from Arby's. Cook for about 25 minutes. Once your Instant Pot is ready, go ahead and release the pressure. Next, transfer your chicken into a mixing bowl. This is definitely the easiest way to shred chicken. Next, add your barbecue sauce in. My husband served his mission in Texas, so we have a few barbecue sauces to add a little flavor on top.